Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change font size on MetaTrader 5. Before starting, let me tell you that there isn't a built-in way to directly change the font size within the MetaTrader 5 application on a mobile device. But if you want to get a quick workaround with the situation, then the first thing you can do is to adjust your system font size. Go ahead and open your Settings app from your Android device, and from the Settings menu, look for Display option and tap on it. Once you tap on Display, tap on Font Size and Style, and then simply drag the slider under Font Size to increase the font size of your Android device. Once you do that, you can now get back and open the MetaTrader 5 application, which will then increase the font size of your MetaTrader 5 app as well, since you've changed your system's font size from your Android device. So that is the only way you will be able to increase the font size on MetaTrader 5 using Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.